Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2015 Harley Davidson Electroglide. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and have a close look at this Harley. It is HPI clear. It is also data tagged, and it does come with the manual and Harley service history. What we'll do is start at the front and we'll work all the way around the bike. Try and get a good look, close look at everything as we can. This is in a really nice metallic green. I'll try and point out all the features on it. I'm sure I'll miss some because there's that many on these. So let's get a good look around the front. So it's got the retractable pegs here. So those you can fold those up out of the way if you want to keep your feet on the foot plates. Or if you're cruising, you can put your feet up on those. It's got the wind deflectors there, so you can get more airflow kicking through. Let's get a good look at the tank from this side. Get a good look at the engine as well. Look at the boxes. These boxes, they do have inside them Harley Davidson carry bags for your luggage, so you can put the luggage in the bags, take that with you. Those are in both sides. It's also got the intercom for these as well, so you plug your leads into there, and your passenger can plug their leads into there. Get a look over at the seat. See, it's got the big speakers at the side there. This does have the audio system with it, and the sat nav. Let's get a good look at that dash there. We'll turn the ignition on and have a look through some of the features on there. It's got the rack, so you can put extra luggage on the top. And it's got the Vance and Hines exhausts on this. Let's get a look at the boxes, condition of those. All in really nice condition. Let's get a look down here as well at the back. We've also got a little volume switch there for the back. Volume up and volume down. We'll just open the back box up. You see inside there you also get another carry bag for the back. You've got a 12 volt outlet socket there as well, and in this little bag those are the leads for your audio for the intercom. So let's have a look over on the right hand side. As you can see, it's in really nice condition this, loads of really bright chrome work on it. It's got the protection bars as well on that side. Let's get a look over this side of it. Paintwork. And chrome protection bars on the front. We'll finish looking at the front wheel on this right hand side before we go and have a look up at the dash and the controls. Okay, let's take a look up at the controls. As you can see, it's keyless, so it's got the fobs. The little key there is for your fuel flap and to lock off the steering lock on there. So we'll take a look over on this side. First, you've got your front brake, your throttle, then you've got your switching on and off of the ignition, you've got your indicators, your information button, and then these are the menus and navigation on there. Let's get a close look in there. And we'll move over to the other side. You've got another one for your menus at the back there, your clutch obviously, you've got your horn, your lights, indicators that side, and then you've got your cruise control setting and the resume on there. There's a home button on that. This was for your tuning for your stereo and your volume up and down. So we'll turn this on. As you can see, it's got the full navigation on there. There's your radio. Just turn that down. As you can see the mileage on it. It has done 20,069 on the miles. See the ABS light flashing there. It does have ABS on it. So hit the home button. So as you can see there, you got your favourites, tuner, media, comms, traffic and navigation on there. So you just hit the navigation on there. It's built in there so you can hit the map. And I'll give you a map there. So go back to the home screen on it. Back to your tuner. And there you go. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything close up you want to see, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.